Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on a Bridgestone Turanza. Yes, these are the OEM and it's the EL440. How long they last. And before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos. And I really appreciate that thumbs up if you like the video. Alright, so short video today. I know everybody's super busy and we have about 21,000 miles on the vehicles. This is a 2020 Toyota Camry SE front wheel drive. So I'm gonna measure the tires and see how much wear is still left on it. And this one I actually measured ahead of time, but believe me, it's about 3.5. Of course, you put it at different points, then you get different reading. This is a digital tire meter. I put in the description if you're interested in checking it out. So I actually went around and checked out the tires on all four wheels, and you know they're around 3.5 to 4, right? Pretty much, right? So this one, yeah, it's about 3.85, 84, you know, and different areas of the tire, you get a little different reading. But you see the wear band, it's not really, there's these tire bands you can see. It's not really hitting it yet. But that's something that you want to think about getting new tires, especially if it rains a lot. This is the time to think about it, right? So my measurements are a little bit off, not 100% scientifically perfect. So these are the rear wheels, those are the front wheels. Let's see how much we get on this one in particular. Sorry, the focus isn't that good. So my reading was 3.22. So actually it's not that bad. It's still bad, I guess. It's getting down to 2. You don't want to wait till 2 millimeters before replacing, of course. Last tire, this is the tire behind the driver's side. And we get 3.79. I measure a few times, it's around there. So under 4. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I think we're going to time to replace it. Comment to share, please leave below. Please remember to help me with thumbs up. And please remember to subscribe. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.